Okay guys, so after the last video you should be able to do these things. The bottom on state 3 things which could occur when waves interact with matter, something from GCSE. What do waves actually do? So if the previous book was looking at the measurable quantities for waves, this is looking at what waves actually do, how they behave, what happens when they pass by objects. All of the things listed in the book: diffraction, refraction, reflection, and a new thing called polarization. We're going to look at diffraction and polarization today. Diffraction is this: the spreading out of a wave after passing through a gap or past an obstacle. You might be familiar with water waves doing that. When they pass through a narrow gap, they spread out. All waves do that. What we're trying to show in the book here is that when the gap is large, you get some diffraction, but it's mostly just spreading out in a straight line. When the gap has a similar size to the wavelength, we're spreading out almost at 45 degrees from the gap. That is what we call maximum diffraction. And that occurs when the gap size is roughly the same as the wavelength. And diffraction happens to all waves. There is a whole book later on advanced ideas in diffraction, but for now, this is all you need to know. A common question is, how close is close? What is similar to the wavelength? It's the same order of magnitude, same power of 10. Normally, it's fairly obvious from the question. I don't think you need to worry about it that much in terms of what size matches. It either is very close or is very far away. They don't tend to do grey area questions. No one in the past has had a major issue with it. Look at the way that it comes up on the end of topic questions and hopefully you'll be reassured there.